Welcome everyone. Here is Dr. Sandhu from Business Management and Research channel, and welcome to my video on how to train employees on customer service. In this video, I will be sharing some tips on how to create a customer service training program that will help your employees deliver excellent customer service. The importance of customer service. Customer service is one of the most important aspects of any business. When customers have a positive experience with your company, they are more likely to do business with you again, and they are more likely to recommend you to their friends and family. That's why it's so important to train your employee on customer service. A good customer service training program can help your employees learn how to be friendly and approachable, listen actively to customer concerns, solve problems quickly and efficiently, build rapport with customers, go the extra mile to make customer happy. So these are the 5 main points. Then comes key components. First one is empathy. Your employees need to be able to understand and empathize with customer concerns. This means being able to put yourself in the customer's shoes and see things from their perspective. Number two, problem solving skills. Your employees need to be able to solve customer problems quickly and efficiently. This means having a good understanding of your products or services, as well as the company's policies and procedures. Communication skills. Your employees need to be able to communicate effectively with customers, both verbally and writing. This means being able to listen actively, ask questions, and provide clear and concise answers. Then comes attitude. Your employees need to have a positive attitude and be willing to go to the extra mile to make customers happy. This means being friendly, approachable, and helpful. Then comes how to create a customer service training program. Once you know the key components of a good customer service training program, you can start to create your own program. Here are a few tips. Number one, start by identifying the specific customer service skills that your employees need to learn. Develop a training curriculum that covers these skills. Use a variety of training methods such as lectures, role playing, and simulations. Provide opportunities for employees to practice their customer service skills. Evaluate the effectiveness of your training program and make necessary adjustments as needed. Conclusion. Customer service is an essential part of any business. By investing in customer service training, you can help your employees deliver excellent customer service and create a positive customer experience. Thanks for watching my video on how to train employees on customer service. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business and personal development. Best of luck.